For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to search right here for notifications. And the notifications and actions should come up. Click on that. And then you're going to scroll down, and if you see McAfee right here, you want to turn that off. I don't have it, but you might have it, so turn it off. I don't have McAfee installed, so I'm going to show you this next step through screenshots. So first you want to open up McAfee, then you want to click on the settings icon on the bottom left, and then click on general settings and alerts. Then click on informational alerts and uncheck show informational alerts and click on apply. For the third step, once you're on your web browser, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions. And then click on manage extensions. Once you're on this, if you have a McAfee extension, you want to click on remove. And then click on remove again. Now, if you want to delete McAfee, just head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on it, you can scroll down to find it, or you can just type it right here, McAfee. I don't have it, but once you find it, just click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and click on uninstall again, and just delete it. You should also uninstall anything else that comes up with McAfee, anything that's McAfee related. For the last step, we're going to head over to search and type in services.msc and click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service and click on M on our keyboard, which will bring us down. I don't have it, but I'm going to put a screenshot up. You're going to find McAfee. It's going to be a bunch of them, so you could try this for every single one that you have. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then make the startup type disabled, and click on OK. Once it's been disabled, if it says status running, like for example this one right here, you just want to right click on it, and then click on stop. Do that for all the McAfees that will come up. I'm going to put a screenshot up so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Once you do everything in this video, restart your computer, then the problem should be fixed.